Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this tutorial on how to access the battery code of your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex Pro 13i. In this video, we will guide you through the necessary steps to complete this task efficiently and safely. First, let's gather the tools you'll need for this process. You will require a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger or opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrostatic discharge. Now that we have our tools ready, let's begin by turning off the laptop and unplugging it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety during the disassembly process. Next, place your laptop on a clean, flat surface. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located on the back panel. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them to reassemble your device later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start from one corner and work your way around the edges to avoid breaking any clips. If you encounter resistance, check for any screws you may have missed. After successfully opening the back panel, locate the battery. Here, you will find a label that includes the battery code. Take a moment to note this code down, as it can be useful for future reference or if you need to order a replacement. While you have access to the internal components, it's a good idea to clean out any dust or debris. Use a can of compressed air to blow away dust from the fan and other components. This will help improve the performance of your laptop. If you feel uncomfortable performing this task or if you don't have the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't need to worry about calls or traveling to a shop. You can get a quote before repair, ensuring you understand the cost up front. After you've taken note of the battery code and cleaned the internal components, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Align the back panel carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace the screws in their respective holes, ensuring they are tightened securely but not over-tightened to avoid stripping. Finally, turn your laptop back over and power it on. Verify that everything is functioning as expected. If you encounter any issues or have questions about your battery code or laptop repair in general, feel free to reach out for assistance. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed the battery code on your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex Pro 13i. Remember, if you need help at any stage, we are here for you with our convenient services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.